Good morning or afternoon or whatever it is for everybody. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Yesterday's video, we introduced Chris's WRX to the channel. It's really cool. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna try and be making more content around his car as well. I really want to start incorporating my friends in vlogs a little bit more. Like I've got him and then I've got Austin with the 5.0 Mustang. If he ever does anything, I'd like to start doing stuff on his car as well. So Chris is gonna be coming over later this evening and we're gonna be installing this turbo on his WRX. No, I'm just kidding. That's actually for the Evo, and if you guys watched yesterday's video, we have to put it off for just a little bit because reasons. I have an exhaust from when I owned my STi. Funny story about this, I'll tell you guys here in a bit, but I have a Greddy Ti-C exhaust that I bought off of somebody that I never used for my Subaru. It's at my dad's shop. So let's go grab that before Chris comes over tonight. And I really have a funny story to tell you guys, so let's go grab this thing and find it. It's somewhere deep in my dad's shop. It might take me a little while to find it. Oh man, I just love hopping into this car. It's stupid awesome. Years, let's go, baby! Hello, Dad! It is somewhere just deep back here. I think I saw it. Hey, there it is. Man, this thing is ancient. There we go. Chris, we're making it look nice and pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at those burnt tips, baby. Let's go. Man, I tell you what, this exhaust right here is it's a piece of work, dude. It's a funny story. I bought this like probably 6 years ago. It's interesting. I'm gonna get this thing loaded up. We'll clean it up a little bit later before we put it on Chris's car, but it's a genuine Greddy Ti-C. This was a nice exhaust at one point, and it's still gonna sound good, but it needs some love, it needs some work. Chris's stock exhaust needs to go, because no Subaru sounds good with a stock exhaust. You know every Subaru gotta have a nice exhaust. I'm wondering if this exhaust, I mean, Subarus can get pretty loud. I'm kind of hoping that we can make his WRX louder than my Evo today. These things just are not very loud. Actually, no. I might be kind of triggered if his is louder than mine. I don't know about that. The story of me buying this exhaust and the reason I still have it is pretty funny. Now, just keep in mind, I was young. I was in high school. I think I was 18. Like, this was like the very beginning of my car part buying history. I was a tiny little boy, even smaller than I am now. So I buy this exhaust, right? Like, I show up and meet this guy at the 7-Eleven right down the street from here. And he's like, yo, he's kind of in a hurry and whatever. Kind of just sets it in my car, like just like this. Sets it in the car so I don't see any of the blemishes on it. And you know, I was too naive at the time. Like, I'm not gonna check and see if there's anything wrong with it, or I didn't think about it at the time. Like, I was so excited because I wanted the Ti-C so badly on my STi. I just didn't even think about it. I started asking him some questions and he's just like, nah, basically I gotta dip, like I gotta go. He's just like, where's the money? I was like, oh, okay, fine, here we go. It's like $300. And so I immediately go to my dad's shop because I'm so excited because I got this new exhaust. I'm like, yo, Dad, we gotta put this exhaust on. I get out of the car, we get the car jacked up, we start taking apart the exhaust that was already on the car. It was like a Perrin or something at the time, a super expensive exhaust, but of course I was 18, so I'd rather have a rice pipe that's loud than a nice exhaust. He flips it over, and my dad's like, yo, dude, we are not installing this. You gotta get this thing returned. I'm like, oh, so this actually used to be a hole. My dad did weld it up and he filed it down and everything like that. There used to be a giant gaping hole sitting right there, and not to mention, it's pretty dinged up and pretty bent up and stuff like that. So this guy just puts it in the car as if I'm not gonna, this car was stanced, by the way. Like, this car was low, way too low. Like, the resonator's bunk. This is bunk. It needs a lot of love, which we're gonna do today. But get this, so 15 minutes later, I text this guy, I'm like, yo, this exhaust is crap. I can't install this. I want my money back. And he goes, no, sorry, dude, can't do that. I've already put it towards bills. This guy's like mid-20s. I'm in my high school. Like, keep in mind, $300 for me was like, I was working like 30 hours a week. So that's like a week and a half of work for me. That was pretty devastated that I literally spent a week and a half of my life working for something that I'm never gonna be able to do. Now it's whatever, I don't really care, and I'm so happy I'm giving it to Chris, but it was such a funny but dumb story. That's what's going on, but either way, it's gonna sound awesome. I know Chris is excited to finally get some parts on his car. This is gonna be sick. I'm ready for, I missed the Subaru sound in my life, and it's finally gonna happen again. Chris is back. Let's go ahead and get this exhaust on. I was very over enthusiastic. I'm so sorry. Chris, give us a little start. Let's go ahead and see. Let's listen to how poopy this thing sounds stock. Oh, what is that? Chris, did you turn it on? Is it on? I don't know if it's on. That's not even, Chris, it's not cool. Stop that. Just turn it off, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, by the way, how you guys like this? This was, it's actually worked out better than we thought. If you missed that video, make sure you, well, it's in the top right, or just at the, I don't know, just find it on my channel. But let's get this thing not sounding like this. Name one Subaru you've ever had drive by you, and you've been like, man, I'm so happy he has a stock exhaust. That sounds so good. No, you've never done that, okay? It's not a thing. Every Subaru that passes by you with an exhaust, you're like, that's a Subaru, sounds nice. Let's get this thing sounding like an actual Subaru, not a Prius. It's a good thing this thing's at monster truck height, so we won't have a single issue getting this under it. If any company out there, you make springs or coilovers, you want to get some on this car, Chris needs the hookup. Get him more low, or if anybody out there wants to, I'm not gonna say give us some, but if anybody out there got some cheap coilovers that are used for this, or springs, let us know, because we're trying to make homeboy low over here. He's up here, dude. I can fit clutch under here, dude. You could, an animal could hide under here, Chris. It's bad. You could have a raccoon living under here without you knowing about it. That's never okay. Hook Chris up. Chris, look at this wheel gap. That's even worse. Fit your head in there. Put your head in there. See if your head fits in that gap. No! Oh my God, that's bad. Oh my, that's not okay. This stock exhaust is some booty cheeks. We're taking off, this is the worst part about the Subaru right here, but we're gonna take it off from where you see that little, that catalytic converter. Well, you can't really see it, but there's a catalytic converter way deep back there. So it's gonna replace the mid pipe, which is right there, and then the mufflers. It's gonna sound good. It's gonna sound real nice. Say goodbye to these nasty exhausts. We're still gonna keep the cat so Chris can be legal in the state of Texas, but this little boy, we're gonna chop him off from right here, and it's gonna go all the way back, baby. All right, baby, start her up. Let's go. Oh, such a good idea. Take this, OEM Subaru. Get out of here. Is there still, you still got a hanger over there? Oh, damn. Wow. That is a big boy. Dude, look at this. This muffler is huge. This is bigger than most people's life plans. If any of you guys want a stock WRX exhaust, it's definitely not in the dumpster right by my apartment. Just repeating, if you want a stock WRX exhaust, it's not over there. Here we go. Step one, part one, to making this Subaru not sound like a pooperoo. Oh, this is gonna be... So to make this process even better of buying this guy never gave me any hardware, and stock hardware does not work. So I've got some extras just laying around because, you know, I've only built 15,000 cars and I have bolts from motors and whatever. So there we go. That's gonna bolt it up, baby. All right, we got this part on. Wait, where did it go? Now we just need to get the tip on. We just realized that, well, the hardware we need is still on the other exhaust, which is not in the dumpster. It's in the dumpster. We gotta go dumpster diving. Okay, there we go. That's Dustin's Evo. Oh my God. Okay, it's so stinky and it's all the way over. Oh, there's a door right there. Hold on. Now go. Oh.
Yeah, let's just go get tools.
Getting tools.
We're prepared, boys. Let's go. So nasty. Oh, those are rusted. Oh, this is disgusting. How are you doing over there, Chris?
I'm okay.
You gotta take a break. I'll get this.
I'm okay.
Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, it's seeping through. Oh.
People are probably like, what the heck are these guys doing in here?
I got it. Run, run, run.
All for a little bit of nut. All for some nut. Boys, boys, boys. It is, oh, this looks so good. It's game time. Look at that, Chris.
Oh, yeah.
Fist test, baby. That's a huge exhaust. Oh, that's good. We need to clean it up a little bit, but dude, let me, you go ahead and hop up in there and give it a start, dude.
Man.
I'm so excited.
Oh, man.
Hey, yeah. Turn that AC off. Oh, yeah. Yes. Hey, get back here. You like it?
Sounds awesome.
I'll give it some reps. You enjoy it.
Oh, man.
Oh, yes.
Sounds so sick. So
That
sick.
is awesome. We're gonna have to bring it out here in a little bit to play. We'll have to do we'll do some more driving stuff here in a sec. But we've got a couple other things we gotta do to his car. We're actually filming another, if you guys haven't figured this out by now, I'm actually filming the same day as doing the other taillights. So we're gonna have to figure out the other taillight, and then here in a sec, we'll go do some driving stuff. All right, I really hope Chris's car is not louder than this Evo. I'm gonna be kind of butthurt if it is, but we're gonna go do some flybys, and then him and I wanna take some nighttime pictures because it's just kinda cool, but let's go. I can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Like, we're gonna do some flybys, and I'm gonna get in the car with him as well, and we're gonna see how it sounds from in the car as well. I'm sure it's gonna sound amazing. Honestly though, Evo gang. Oh, yes, baby. The Subaru's back, let's go! It looks so good, it looks so good. And with the taillights we just did yesterday, well, in yesterday's video, which we literally just did, oh man, it looks like a new car. It sounds like a new car. It looks and sounds like a new car. Is it good from inside? Does it sound cool? Chris, this car now looks like a car that like somebody actually cares about modding. It's good. We did good. Dude, the exhaust is tight. And you know what? His exhaust is bigger than mine. It's actually bigger. This is supposed to be a 4-inch exit, but the fist test, I think the tips are the same, but your barrel is thick, dude. It's a big barrel. And with the taillights, oh, it looks so good. All right, let's see what this thing sounds like on the inside. It sounded so good when you flew by. It sounded awesome. Bye, Evo. Oh, it sounds so sick on the inside now. Oh, that's like, that hits home. Oh, all right. That sounds good. It might be hard to, so it's really hard to capture what a Subaru sounds like on camera, but believe me, it sounds awesome. Hey! Yeah, dude! That's awesome! That sounds so good! You like it, dude? That sounds so sick. Oh man. This makes me, dude, this takes me back to like, I love being in a Subaru, and just hearing a Subaru from outside is different. It sounds good just cruising. It's just, you can hear that dissonance. All right, bro, you want launch control? That's so sick, dude. That sounds amazing. Oh, yes! 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 The Subaru lives, bro! Yes! Yes! That's so sick. Oh, yeah. Dude, that sounds so good. Sweet. That's a successful day of installs right there. He likes it, I like it, hope you guys like it, and hope you guys are enjoying some of this content. We're gonna try and get as much done to this car as we can. Obviously, I have 3 other cars I need to build, so it's not gonna be all the time we're gonna be working on this WRX, but it's officially part of this channel now, just like if I were to own a WRX. So make sure you subscribe if you want more WRX stuff, and just keep coming back, because we be making that sick content. Thank you guys so much for watching. This sounds so good, dude. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, and be victorious.